Hey y'all, we just finished our annual skeet shooting event out here at Robinson Ranch. This is an event we do every year for our clients, and they bring guests as well. And we just had an absolute blast out here, literally. I think we're all gonna go home with sore shoulders now too. Every year we auction off a new gun, and we had a Leatherman this year for our guests as well. So if you missed it this year, don't worry about it. We always have this every year, so looking forward to see you at the next event. And thank you again for being a client, Nature Coast Financial.